right, y'all. So I was listening to music. That's why y'all were listening to music. But y'all, I love this 2-strand twist with the oh my God, the Cantu coconut curling cream though. That moisturizer, y'all, it's just, oh my God, it's a staple. It's a staple. Anyway, and that gel from Curl Days, it is perfect, y'all. I swear I use that gel for my edges. I can use it for a wash and go. I know now. I can use it for a 2-strand twist. Like, that's going to be my gel, y'all, from now on. Thank you, girl, for creating that because it's like the perfect gel for my hair. That's how I feel about it. Like, I found it finally. And it's not $85, you know? Anyway, so y'all let me know in the comments how y'all like my hair. I love the fact that it's moisturized. Like, that's my big thing. I like for my hair to be moisturized. And I know that my hair looks moisturized because it is. I haven't added any oil in my hair. None of that, y'all. And yeah, I love the definition. The definition is cool. Yes, ma'am. I'm always going to have some type of frizz, y'all. So, especially with a 2-strand twist. And my twist and loop method. Do y'all see how my ends are curled? You see that? Curled ends, okay? So, use that method. If you use it and you have a YouTube channel or just, you know, social media, period. Tag me and let me see your hair. I want to see y'all's hair, okay? Because I don't, hopefully it works for other people and not just me. You know what I'm saying? I've had a couple people try it back in the day, but I want to see y'all try it now and see how y'all like the twist and loop method for your ends. Instead of putting like, what do you call it? Those curling rods, those perm rods. Perm rods, any type of curling apparatus on your hair. You don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? And then you get sleep like perfectly and just beautifully. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I have another video coming up for y'all. I have some content for y'all, okay? I've been writing stuff down, all right? Make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for not everyday videos, but videos, y'all, okay? I'm going to be giving y'all consistent content over here, all right? And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.